Hello followers, welcome to the second and last video of this Fairlady Z. Sorry for taking so long to finish and upload this video, but this quarantine affected my household for a while, so I needed to take some days to clear things out. So I have started by primer all the interior parts with light grey primer from Zero Paint. Had a few issues with the primer and in the end needed to strip the paint from the seats and make them again. Not a big deal, and I think they even look better after.
So many people here, but somehow they disappear. 'Cause all that I trust to crumble to dust, but finally I can breathe. Open my eyes and see all of the beauty in front of me, giving back all the energy that I never felt, I never felt before. Beyond the lights of society that were killing me quietly, now I found myself a home out on my own, out on my own.
After all being dry, I moved to the black matte paint and black textured paint. Let it to dry for 15 minutes and then started with all the details on those parts. While looking at the road and where I was going to start, I've noticed that this model doesn't come with brakes. No discs, no calipers, nothing at all. So I went on my stash and found those brakes. Needed to do some modifications to fit, but in the end they fit perfectly.
Messing with my head again. You had your heart set on me, but these feels, they come and go, and they come so easily. Tell me what it is about.
For the assembly, I have used two different types of glue. BSI super glue and clear PVA glue. PVA glue takes longer to dry, but it's perfect for windows and lights, doesn't damage anything, and it's really clear. My BSI glue is great, but I need to replace it as it isn't gluing that well anymore.
Staying up when I go out, you gotta know I'm all yours. But when I say what's that about, you start slurring your words. Tell me why you have to seem so distant when I'm holding you. Your fingertips are drifting away, and I fucking love how it hurts.
As you can see, I've done a few modifications in the car. Water radiator from a Honda, radiator fan from a Ferrari, racing seats, green seat belts, and a racing intake filter. I really think it completed the empty space in the front. And for the last, I've installed some Bosozuku style exhausts with some real stainless steel tube, and for me it looks amazing.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see.
And this is what I have done with this build. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to check if you're still a subscriber, as sometimes the YouTube removes it. Give it a thumbs up and share with some friends. let's make the channel grow. Now keep watching because I will show the end result of the car. See you guys!